Since 1989, Getac has grown exponentially. Today, it has a global presence with more than 7,500 employees worldwide. Getac is a key subsidiary of the Mitac Synex Group and benefits from the group's synergy. Over the years, Getac continues to innovate and grow in key vertical markets. Getac rugged solutions are designed for demanding professionals to boost their productivity. The products are already being used in key industries by leading companies. Getac designs, manufactures, and services a full rugged product line. From Getac Video Solution, notebooks, convertibles, and tablets. We also develop comprehensive product solutions to give you more choices. We design and deliver the whole process that is fully owned by Getac. Our rugged solutions are available in more than 40 countries. Offering local support through our worldwide service network, we deliver world-class services at a timely speed. Our goal is simple. It is to innovate and outperform industry averages and deliver a fantastic rugged experience for our clientele. Support up to 13 hours of battery life, 34 millimeters thick and 1.98 kilograms rugged convertible notebook, thinner and lighter than ever. Built to withstand temperatures as cold as minus 21 degrees Celsius to a blazing hot 60 degrees Celsius, creating the industry's lightest tablet solution that is only 800 grams. Exceptional readability and brightness under the sun. Leading salt fog anti-corrosion technologies in the industry. Getac computers can be accessorized with a handle or hand strap, 2 or 4-point shoulder strap, an office or vehicle dock for ultimate convenience and mobility. We cooperate with distinguished partners to do more for you. Getac has been dedicated to delivering world-class rugged solutions for more than 2 decades. We innovate to keep current to create a better world for vertical professionals. Your imagination is where our innovation starts.